Well, it's 20th of April, 2024. I should be planting crops, but we've been having lots of rain. Instead, I'm going to meet some of the Dayton Buckeye Model A Club people, and we're doing a little tour with our Model A's. And Vicky's doing some quilting, so there won't be any videos of her sleeping in the truck today. So I got to get going towards Lewisburg and meet up with some of the rest of the group and see what all kind of stuff we're going to see today. Here's the first covered bridge on our tour. Guess if I like to beat my horn, here's the covered bridge. Here's all the Model A Club cars. I think there was 12 in the club. We stopped at this guy's house, private collection, to look around a little bit. He has a little bit of everything. He had a garage full of some Model T and some Model A stuff. I think our next stop is going to be to go eat. I did see another pickup truck. There's a tan truck. Looks like a 31, I guess. Has the bigger window in the back. We ate at Little Sheba's restaurant, went to the Richmond Historical Museum. This is a 1915 Westcott 50 horsepower car, a 1920 Pilot 44 horsepower car, 1939 Crosley 60 miles per gallon, weighed 1,000 pounds, only cost $250. They were all made in Richmond, Indiana. Then a couple gas pumps, and they had some quilts to the show too. Had 93 miles on my car at the end. Thanks for watching.